Many of the Anbiya alayhimus salam, if not all of them, worked with their hands. And when you draw a connection to try and understand why, you realize that the same training, experience, precision, and attention to detail required in producing high-end quality products is the exact same training, experience, precision, and attention to detail in producing high-end quality individuals that a da'i requires in their words, their wisdom, their leadership, their work, and their movement. So stay tuned to see what the Preacher 610 CE project has in store for you as we explore an area that has never been done before.